Good afternoon, y'all. I just wanted to show y'all what I got today. I got me a little miniature cooler for my room. So here's this. You could use it for about anything. Dog food, breast milk. Ooh. You could warm up your food and stuff. Here's for the warm. Like baby bottle, mist towels. Here's to keep your stuff cold. Let's see the back. Yep. Open it. Here's this. Here's the little instruction for it. I wanted a white one. All they had was pink and black. So I just got a pink and white one. I'm going to put it down in my Miami Dolphin room. But, yep, here's all the instructions. It's pretty cool because you can, I never knew a little fridge could keep your stuff warm, you know. Oh, ain't it cute? I always wanted one, so I bought me one. I just put the stuff over there. I thought it was cute. I seen them a while ago. I've been wanting to get one. Just like when I'm down here watching my game. You know, I can, here's the back. Right, where's the cord and stuff for it? So I guess I gotta buy the cord. I don't know, let me see. Cooler, you can turn it off, on. So I guess I have to buy a cord for it. I don't know. Unless it's inside. It might be inside. Oh, there it is. I was like, Lord have mercy, Jesus, fix it. But see, it's cute. You could take this out too. And, well, that can't fit in there, but I mean, you can get other stuff to fit up in there. I thought it was cute. But that's my little miniature fridge, y'all. And then here's the cord. And you could take it, like, you can put this in your car as well. See? This is for the car. So, yeah, you can put it in your car. Ain't that cool? Like, say you want to go on a road trip and you got a baby. And, you know, you can't leave the formula and stuff set out. I'm gonna pull that off of that. But, anyway, like I was saying, like, you know, you've got a baby and you're breastfeeding, you got breast milk and you want to keep it cold, you just plop it in there. And this is for the car. And then this is for the house or college, wherever you may be, your office, you know. I think it's pretty cool. What y'all think? Like that. And then you just pull it and open. Pull it and open. I just gotta get me some pop and put in there. Like that. Bam. Thank you, ma'am. Ain't it cute though? But here's the back. But yeah, this is It's cool. And then you plug that in there. And then, like, if you want it warm, you want to keep something warm, off, cold. So, that's pretty cool. And you can take it wherever you want to go. Like, you want to go on a road trip, you can take it with you. Just put you some little pops, or say yogurt. You like yogurt pudding, your kids' snacks. Like if you got kids and they want to bring yogurt or pudding, you ain't got to worry about it going bad. You just stick it in your little mini fridge. I might have to take this when I go see my son in college. Because, well, the food probably wouldn't fit in there unless we took this part out. But a lot of times we go out to eat and our food goes to waste because we don't have nowhere to stick it. Well, we could always get another one, like a bigger one. They got bigger ones too. So, tell me what y'all think. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave comments. God bless y'all. Have a beautiful day. And see you later. Bye.